Where is your girlfriend?
Hi guys, what's up? Okay, you know who it is. All right, let's get to the business. So guys, today I'ma shoot. I'll try and attempt to shoot. What's gonna happen is that I'm gonna be shooting a video for Valentine's Day. I mean, people are gonna get chocolates. In other words, I'm trying to say is that there's gonna be challenges involved, pranks involved, nice things involved, sweet things involved, sweet things involved. So yeah, all the nice things you could ever think of. Sweet things, honey. Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna have my crew behind the scenes shooting different people to actually see them doing the challenges that I gave them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna note different numbers of which challenge is gonna be challenged by the challengee, and I am going to send it over for people to do the challenge. Every single time there's someone we interview in my channel, on my vlog, or this particular video, we are going to see the person pick a number, and in that number they are going to do a certain challenge. So randomly they're just gonna pick a number between probably 1 and 10 that they are going to attempt to do the things, and they are most definitely going to get a prize. So my prize giveaways are chocolates. These are the smaller ones, and these are the huge chunkaberry ones. Okay. Hi queen.
Hey.
Alrighty girl, so your challenge here is to pick a number between 1 and 10, and you are going to do somewhat a challenge depending on the number you picked. So basically, just pick a number between 1 and 10.
2.
2. Are you sure?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so you are going to steal a kiss on the cheek and a hug.
Wow.
For a Kit Kat.
For a Kit Kat?
So who's your victim?
I'm not good at this, guys, but okay, I'll go for that guy with the red.
That guy with the red t-shirt. Perfect. Let's walk up to him.
Okay, wait, unless he has a girlfriend. I have been dared, yes, to receive a kiss on the cheek and a hug from you.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay! She did it!
She did it. Thank you.
High five! Yeah. She did it. Okay.
Hi.
Perfect. So you have to do this thing called
Oh my gosh.
a
I'm so
vday challenge.
Okay.
And all you have to do is pick a number between 1 and 10, and then you do the number that you picked. You basically do that challenge, and you get to win a chocolate. So there are different levels to it. 1 to 5 is not so bad, and 6 to 10 are like the challenging ones, like really challenging, but you win bigger chocolates, like a Cadbury. So
You guys didn't even
pick a number from 1 to 10.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna pick. I'm gonna pick 6 because it's like borderline okay, but low key like the low part.
Okay. For number 6 is you have to recite a piece to him. A small piece, whether it's lyrics, whether it's a poem, whether it's a spoken word, anything. To any random guy you don't know.
I literally don't know like 90% of the school.
Great, so I'll pick for you.
Get the corner. That nigga's cute. Nobody at the. No.
That guy over there. That one. The one with the striped t-shirt. Next to the guy with the bucket hat. That's your challenge. Yes. Something to tell you.
Happy Valentine's Day. So, t-shirt. Have a lovely day. You too.
The challenge.
I got my phone. He kissed my hand though. He can get my number any day. Where is he? Get my number any day. He can get it any day. Thank you.
Alright. Hi, Junior. Good. So this was gonna happen. This is a VD challenge, né? Okay. So basically, you just have to do something very simple. Just pick a number between 1 and 10.
Between 1 and 10.
Between 1 and 10.
My favorite number is 10, so 10. Let's go with 10.
And 6 to 10. Kids on it's really hot.
Give me 10.
Okay, you ready? You big guy. Okay. Let's do that. You said 10. You said 10.
Unfair on men.
You said 10. You said 10.
Can I change?
Change to what? 1.
Give me 10. Alright, let's go.
You want 10? So basically, you gotta strip. All you have to do is magic mic, dance or whatever on a girl.
On a girl.
Yes. It has to be a girl.
On a girl.
It has to be a girl. But someone you don't know.
I am so fucking scared, dog.
You can do this. Come. Yes.
What's going on?
Do it.
Junior, what are you doing?
Do it. It's a challenge. You have to win. If you don't complete it, you lose.
Bust down, Juliana.
Hey.
Hey.
Put your hands like at them.
No, I'm not putting my hands on anything.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
He did the challenge. He's a good boy.
Hey.
Hi, puppy. Gucci. So, are you ready for the Valentine's Day challenge?
Most definitely.
Are you sure?
I'm 100%.
I see your clothes though, but let's take a moment to appreciate how you look today.
Nah, it's not about me. It's not about me. It's about the game and the Kit Kat.
Alright. Okay. So basically, puppy, you're gonna pick a number between 1 and 10.
Yeah.
And then the number that you pick, that is your challenge. And you have to complete it to get the chocolate. Yes. So you have to pick between 1 and 10. What is your number?
Lucky number 7.
Lucky number 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell her. Then you tell her that you have a crush on her.
Alright, bet.
Okay.
Who?
So you're going to tell that girl there with the dreads. Do you see her? The one sitting there right next to Tato. You are gonna tell her that you got a crush on her.
Shit. Yeah.
Yes. Let's do this.
Like right now. I bet.
Exactly. So it's
That's a nice. You know, I've been looking at people for like. Okay. No, listen. It's not what you think. Listen.
Woo! Banana! Woo! Some action!
Can I get a hug?
What do you mean? Yeah, you want the challenge
better than
even
you
though he's already
at
eating it.
I'm telling you.
Hey Jess.
Hi!
Good. So basically, this is the vday challenge video, né? So all you have to do is pick a number between 1 and 10. It's subtle, but the ones from 6 to 10 are a bit nifty on the other hand, but you get a bigger prize for doing that. So pick wisely.
9.
9. For sure. You sure?
Yeah, sure.
Gucci! To kiss a guy on the lips Just on the lips. It doesn't have to take long as if you do it.
On the lips.
Yep.
I know a lot of people, guys.
Should we choose for you?
Oh my gosh, no.
I could literally kiss Bush and just be done with this.
No, we want some.
Pick wisely, sis.
There's no guys here, guys. Many beautiful gentlemen.
There's where?
Look, I'm gonna.
Okay.
The family know you came to school to kiss.
It's them, no, that's you.
Actress. I do everything. Okay, I'm putting on some glasses. Go to that.
Ash, get it.
Can I kiss you? No. You have a girl.
Lies.
Are you serious? Okay.
Choose another one.
Choose another one. Are you gonna back down?
It's Catalina's option.
Okay. It's happening.
Okay.
He's here now.
Will it be? Will it be? Or will it be? Shine, my dear friend.
Shine.
Can you come sit here? Can I kiss you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone look at
Yes. Jessica. Like, mwah. Perfect.
So you're single?
He's fixing the cap. Yes. She wins the challenge. She wins the challenge. They're all here.
Pick a number.
They're all here. The whole family. The whole damn family. Hey, how are you? Great! So basically we're shooting a video for my vlog, Valentine's Day challenges, right? So all you have to do is pick a number between 1 and 10. 1 to 5 being really easy and 6 to 10 being really hard. And the number that you pick, you have to do that challenge. So pick wisely. 1. You're gonna ask a young lady for her number. A random lady, and I will pick for you unless you can pick someone you do not know. Okay? Are you ready? So you're gonna win a Kit Kat. Sure.
He's about to do it.
Wait, which one?
I just saw you over here and I thought you were so cute. I just had to get your number.
She's blushing! She's shy. Okay, he did it. He did the challenge. He did the challenge, so you get it. Thank you, Gala. Hi, Sean.
What's up, babe?
I'm good. So, we are shooting a video for a Valentine's Day vlog. So, it's an easy thing, very simple. You just win chocolates, hello, it's working plenty. All you have to do is a few challenges and you get your prize. So, basically, you pick a number between 1 and 10. And whatever challenge pops out, that is the one that you do.
7.
7? Are you sure?
Very positive.
Great, okay. So number 7, you have to tell a random guy that you have a crush on him. And guys, for you to tell him that you like him. If you're going to pick for yourself, it has to be someone you don't know.
Okay, pick for me.
Perfect. Tuto it is.
No!
You are going to tell Tuto that you have a crush on him. Oh, the one with that hat. Yes, you do. No, not there. There. The one with the hat. At the back of you. The one who's putting his hand like he's bored. Yes.
I don't even know him.
That's Tito. Yes.
I'm good. I like your cap.
Hi, guys.
I have a crush on you.
Thank you.
Oh my god, that's it.
Hey.
Nothing special?
I did it.
You won the challenge. Okay.
My Cadbury!
Hi, Busha. How are you?
I'm fine.
Gucci. So, this is what's gonna go down. It's a vday challenge video.
Right.
So basically all you have to do is choose a number between 1 and 10, and the number you pick, you just have to do the challenge.
So can I switch a challenge?
to what?
Like if I don't if I don't want the challenge, do I switch?
You can,
Yeah.
you can switch, but
It has to be bigger than what I did.
Think about it.
So do I pick a number now?
Yes.
I'm gonna try number 8.
Number 8. Alright. Student to number 8. Number 8. You have to share a Kit Kat with another fellow lady, gentle lady. And you have to bite the other half. And she has to bite the other half off of your lip.
Lady and the Tramp stuff.
So we're eating until we.
Basically, the cherry on the other side again. And then you just hold it out to her and she has to bite off the other half.
Do I have to know the person?
You are not supposed to know the person. That is the challenging part. So we're gonna give you a Kit Kat that you're gonna bite now. Then she's gonna bite off the other half.
What? No.
What's my prize?
A bigger chocolate.
Okay, that's what I want.
Yes. Hold it for them. Okay, random girl.
I have to share this chocolate with you, but we have to eat it at the same time and at the end.
Day challenge.
And I just want some chocolate and I'm hungry, so.
So it's both win-win, eh?
Yes, it's a win-win.
Kiss you, you're just sharing a chocolate.
That's
sharing
it.
a chocolate.
At the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want it. It's fine.
I'm not uncultured.
Okay.
Okay, he wins the chocolate. He wins the chocolate.
Can I have my prize now?
Chocolate. Ma'am,
Never post with the camera.
what are you doing? Oh my gosh, you look good on camera.
Alright, let's go.
So basically, all you have to do is pick a number between 1 and 10, and win yourself a chocolate. Simple.
1 and 10.
Yes. 1 to 5 being very easy, but 6 to 10 being very showing us that you're a man. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's the word.
10.
10. Are you sure?
What alone.